Good morning, students. Let's begin our social science class. In continuation of my 7th video related to NCERT Geography Chapter 1 Resources and Development, today's topic soil erosion and soil conservation. When we talk about soil erosion, removal of topsoil from one place to another by natural agencies is called soil erosion, or the denudation of the soil cover and subsequent washing down is described as soil erosion. The process of soil formation and erosion go at the same time. Generally, there is a balance between the two. Sometimes this balance is disturbed due to human activities. The human activities which disturb the soil formation is deforestation, overgrazing, construction and mining. So these are human activity which cause soil erosion. Then soil erosion take place by natural forces. So what are the natural forces? Natural forces through which soil erosion took place are wind, glaciers and water led to soil erosion. Now we are going to see the types of soil erosion. So soil erosion conducted by water, which is further divided in gully erosion and sheet erosion. Then soil erosion by wind and defective methods of farming. When we talk about gully erosion, by the picture you can see the channels built in a barren land and then wash away the soil the time of heavy rainfall, and it seems like a drainage. So gully erosion, the rainwater when moves down on an uneven land scoops away the soil and form deep channels called gullies. This type of erosion is called gully erosion. A land which is broken into many small parts by the gullies is called bad land. A bad land is unfit for cultivation and for other economic activities. In the Chambal Basin, such lands are called ravines. See the gullies built in a barren land or open land form, and that make unfit to the soil. Second type of water erosion is sheet erosion. Sometimes water flows at a sheet over large area down a slope. The water takes away the topsoil. This type of erosion is called sheet erosion, as it removes the upper layer of the earth which contain humus. Third type of erosion is wind erosion. Wind blows loose soil off flat or sloping land known as wind erosion. This type of erosion took place in dry region. Rajasthan is witness for this type of erosion. One more way through which soil erosion took place, that is defective method of farming. Soil erosion is caused due to defective method of farming flowing in a wrong way. Example, up and down the slope from channels for the quick flow of water leading to soil erosion. So flowing in a defective method in farm is also led the soil erosion. Soil conservation. Now when we talk about the soil conservation, is the prevention of loss of the topmost layer of the soil from erosion or prevention of the reduced fertility caused by overuses, acidification, salinization or other chemical soil contamination. There are number of ways through which we can conserve soil from erosion. What are these ways? Contour plowing. Then in hilly area we can form the terrace farming, strip farming, shelter belt, as well as afforestation, stop the overgrazing by animals. These are the 6 ways through which we can conserve the soil from further erosion. There were some pictures that illustrate better soil conservation measure. Contour plowing. Plowing along the contour lines can be deteriorate the flow of water down the slope. So when these type of controls built by the farmers, it will stop the soil from erosion when we irrigate it. Then the terrace farming in hilly area, step cut be cut on the slopes, making terrace cultivation restricts soil erosion in hilly area and plateau region also. Strip cropping, large fields are divided into stripes. Stripes of grasses are left to grow between the crops. This break up the force of the wind. This method is called strip cropping. When the crop harvest, this strip remain in the field and thus stop the soil erosion. Shelter belt, planting lines of trees to create shelter belt. Along with the crop, the trees grown in a line, which is, have you seen that tree grows in the line? The root of the tree stop the soil erosion. Once the crop harvest, then the land remain bounded. There are a number of other activity like planting more and more tree, which is known as afforestation, then control on overgrazing. These are also the ways of to conserve the soil erosion. Then after listening this, if you know the answer of these question and will able to write according to the marks, then you are genius. What is soil erosion? How do human activities and natural forces cause soil erosion? And explain some of the ways through which we can conserve soil. Do it in your copy with date and day. There were some fact which is given in the back of your chapter, State of India Environment. The village of Sukumarji and the district of Jhabua have shown that it is possible to reserve land degradation. How to reverse land degradation? Like tree density in Sukumarji increased from 13 per hectare in 1976 to 1272 per hectare in 1992. So you can see, if we uh, grow more and more tree, that stop the degradation of the land. Regeneration of the environment leads to economic well-being as a result of greater resource availability, improved agriculture and animal care, and consequently increased income. Average annual household income of Sukumarji range from 10,000 to 15,000 between 1979 and 84. Then people management is essential for ecological restoration, with people being made the decision makers by Madhya Pradesh government. 2.9 million hectare or about 1% of India's land area are being greened across the state through watershed management. So individual can initiative stop the degradation of the land, and we need to keep these all things for our future generation. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.